What's up everybody, and welcome back to my shop. And on today's video I am going to address a little problem that I'm having. My parting tool is too thick. So I want to make one. I'm going to make it out of this blade. I never throw away blades, period. That is some good metal. So there's plenty here to make a parting tool and a few other things. As you can see, I've already made something. I don't know what it was, but I made something from it. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this out, get this cut up, and I'm going to use a piece of oak, a piece of red oak. I'm going to go ahead and rip this down, and we're going to get started. Okay, so I made a video on this jig a while back. I'll have a link, I guess, in the description. Also, I'll have a link to these. That way you can purchase these. These are made by Ryobi. I'm sure there's several different ones out there, but this is just a little kit, and I'll put a link in the description for this and a link to the video of this. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple project. I used a piece of conduit for the ring. If you like this, remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys in the next video.